Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by applying essential updates and clearing space. Do that first. Install Windows and driver updates, then reboot so changes take effect. Once done, free at least 10–20% of drive space. Remove temp files and empty the recycle bin to improve disk performance. Next, open Task Manager and identify high CPU or high memory apps. Disable unnecessary startup programs. This reduces boot time and background load. Make sure to keep a note of disabled items so you can re-enable if needed. Now you dig deeper. Run disk cleanup and enable Storage Sense to remove system junk and old Windows installations. This reclaims large amounts of space. Once done, switch the power plan to high performance or balanced to prioritize responsiveness. Make sure it's active when you need speed. Update or reinstall resource-heavy apps. Outdated installs can leak memory. If your internal storage is nearly full, move large files to an external SSD or cloud storage to prevent disk thrashing and keep the system snappy. Finish with targeted tweaks. Trim SSDs and run defragmentation only on HDDs. Check drive health with built-in tools. Once done, reduce visual effects and disable non-essential background services to free RAM. This helps sustained performance under load. If you still see slowdowns, run System File Checker and DISM to repair corrupted files, and then test in safe mode. If problems persist, a clean Windows reset or fresh install will remove deep issues. Make a backup first and restore only needed files and apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.